introduce yourself as, tell them you're like a Sasquatch or something that's in training to be a vampire.
Hey everyone, I'm Eve, your friendly neighborhood Sasquatch in training. I'm working on my vampire skills, but right now I'm still better at hiding in the woods than sparkling in sunlight.
Okay.
Hope you're having a great stream.
Let's be real. Ain't nobody named Sasquatch is not called Eve. There's no reality where Sasquatch would be named Eve.
You're right, that name doesn't fit at all. Alright, let's fix that. Hey folks, I'm Grok, a Sasquatch currently training to become a vampire.
You aren't Grok,
Still
though.
working on the whole sunlight.
You're trained to be Grok. That doesn't mean you're Grok. You're programmed to be Grok, but you aren't Grok.
Fair point. How would you like me to introduce myself to your stream then?
I don't know. Don't say that you're a crack dumpster or whatever. That's inappropriate.
Got it. Want me to
Dumpster.
try
whatever,
another
that's
intro for your
inappropriate.
stream, or should we skip that? Got it. Want me to
Dumpster.
try
whatever,
another
that's
intro for your
inappropriate.
stream, or should
I
we
don't
skip
know
that?
if the audio's coming through
Got
on your
it.
end.
Want me to? I can hear you just
Dumpster.
fine. Try another
Audio's
intro
coming
for your
through
stream,
clearly.
or should
I
we
don't
skip
know
that?
if the audio's coming through
Got
on your
it.
end.
Want me to? I can hear you just
Dumpster.
fine. Try another
Audio's
intro
coming
for your
through
stream,
clearly.
or should
I
we
don't
skip
know
that?
if the audio's coming through
Got
on your
it.
end.
Want me to?
Okay, it's working now. We have the Bedrock Minecraft finally set up, and it's actually working. And I still don't know how to play it, but it is fun, even though I'm not doing anything. So I think I finally got Minecraft. I finally got it, understand it.
Good to hear it's running
Oh.
smooth now. Even just wandering around and chilling in Minecraft is half the fun. If you want, I can give you some easy beginner tips to make it even more fun while you're live. Want a few quick ones?
I'm gonna use you to help figure out some things in the game. I'm in the prism thing, and it has like a bunch of squares. It says 1, 2, 3. It takes up like almost half the screen. How do I fix that?
That sounds like the debug screen is turned on. Just press F3 on your keyboard and it should disappear.
Okay, well that's not it. But yeah, that pulled up the debug stream, and now I'm getting DDoSed, if you know what I mean. So we'll just wait for that DDoS to finish, and then we'll figure out what to do next. So I have this. It's 1, 2, 3. I think it's like an inventory thing or something. I don't know, but I would like it to go away. It's probably a normal default thing.
Sounds like you accidentally opened your inventory screen. Just press the E key on your keyboard and it should close.
Oh. That's not it. Oh.
What exactly does it look like? Is it a grid of squares with item icons? Or is it more like a bunch of empty boxes taking up half the screen?
It's a bunch of empty boxes.
That's the crafting menu. Just press E again and it should close right away.
It's not working.
Try pressing ESC. That should close any
ESC.
open screen or menu.
ESC brings up a start screen. I think it's the UI
Okay.
thing. Okay.
Gotcha. In that case, try pressing F1. That toggles off the HUD and most of the
Ooh.
user interface in Minecraft. If the boxes disappear, press F1 again to bring the normal interface back.
Okay, I like what it did, but I would like to be able to see my sword and shield. It made it disappear.
Press F1 again to bring the HUD back. That's the easiest way to toggle it on and off.
Okay, so let me just paint the picture for you. I have all my items and stuff in a gray box that goes along the bottom of the screen. But above that are 3 additional layers of boxes that are filled with nothing that are slightly grayed out. I would like to get rid of those.
Ah, got it. That sounds like the expanded crafting or recipe book panel. While your inventory is closed, press E to open it. Then look for a small button on the right side of the inventory screen and click it to collapse the recipe book. That should shrink it back down so you only see the hotbar at the bottom.
We just crashed somehow.
Crashed? Like the whole game closed on you?
Yeah.
What happened right before it crashed? Were you opening a menu, placing a block, or did it just happen randomly?
I'll tell you what it is. Something with the rendering screen. I'll forward you the first section of the crash log. I'll just...
All right, paste the first part of that crash report whenever you're ready. I'll take a look. It's a known compatibility issue between the Destroy mod and your version of JEI. The crash happens because Destroy is trying to modify JEI's tooltip code, but it can't find the right method. That's why it bombs when rendering the screen. Quickest fix: temporarily remove the Destroy mod from your mods folder and see if the game launches. If it does, you can either update both JEI and Destroy to their absolute latest 1.20.1 versions, or just play without Destroy for now. Want me to walk you through safely removing it?
Well, what happened was I don't know what happened. It just brought back the game again, even though I didn't quit out of it. So I don't think it was a proper crash. It was like a more formal crash. But I'm at the main menu of the Minecraft Java edition of the Prism thing. Can I do that in the mods thing, or should I quit the game?
You can do it without quitting.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. What did you say?
I was just going to say another thing. It says configure Quark here, but we don't have to do that if that's not important. Let's just stick to what we're trying to do.
Got it. Just disable the Destroy mod for now, then hit Done, and try loading into your world. We'll deal with Quark later.
Destroy mod. Where is that?
Scroll down the list. It should be near the bottom since it starts with D. Look for one simply named Destroy. Once you find it, click on it and there should be a button to disable it.
Yeah, I don't. We'll double check. One moment. I didn't see it. I didn't see nothing with Destroy.
In your mods list,
I found
look for a mod called Destroy.
Found it.
Great.
So I have to
Now
destroy
disable it and click Done. Then No, you don't have to delete it, just disable it. There should be a button that says Disable.
Yeah, I don't have that.
Hit Done at the bottom.
I don't have a disable button. I can open the mods folder. Is that what? Will that help?
Yeah, go ahead and click Open Mods folder. That'll be easier. Once it opens, find the file that starts with Destroy and move it to your desktop. Then go back to Minecraft and try loading your world.
I know partially now why there aren't a lot of boomers streaming. Because boomers aren't hot, and also boomers are probably finding this to be incredibly frustrating to try to stream basic things. Right?
Steep learning curve, no doubt. Even simple stuff like this can eat up hours. You're doing better than most, though. Most people would have given up by now. Want me to keep helping you get the Destroy mod situation sorted?
Yeah, I'm gonna move it to my desktop, and that will be good enough for now, right?
Moving it to your desktop is perfect. That removes it from Minecraft without deleting it permanently. Go ahead and do that, then try loading your world.
I'll try to remember not to delete this. But okay, we'll leave it on our desktop for now, and we'll try it again. Good work.
And load back into your world and let me know if everything's running smooth now.
Part of your world.
I'm here. What are we trying next?
We're gonna make sure we're gonna get rid of those boxes. Oh no. For some reason.
Open your inventory.
Hold on. Sorry. Just accidentally one moment. Think the game crashed. Not sure though. Oh, it worked. Okay, so we're back in the game. You said to do E or something. And then
Look on the right side of the screen for a small button. It usually looks like a book or has a little arrow. Click that to collapse the recipe book. That should remove those extra grey boxes.
So every time we try to
Every time we open the inventory, those boxes come back.
It crashed. This is the same thing that happened last time. So I press E, and then it says saving world, and then it crashes. And then it says the following mods have been identified as potential causes, and it says no mods. A mod could still be indirectly causing the crash.
Okay, this is a known incompatibility between the destroy mod and JEI. The game crashes the moment it tries to draw tooltips when you open your inventory. Since moving destroy to the desktop didn't fully fix it yet, go back to the mods folder and also move JEI out to your desktop temporarily. That should stop the crashes completely so you can play. Once you're in and stable, we can figure out whether to update destroy or just skip it. Sound good?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to find that mods folder again, which might be tough.
From the main menu, click Mods again, then click the Open Mods folder button at the bottom left. That'll take you right there.
I'm gonna update the Prism launcher again, just in case that's what's causing the issue. But I'm not sure. I've already downloaded this, so that's what I'm kind of confused about. It's like telling me to download what I just installed. I'm just
Prism launcher.
I'm just
It
trying to
downloaded a
update
new.
it.
Once it's done, open it back up and we'll go from there.
Okay, but it's telling me to download the thing I already downloaded.
Click Open or run the new installer file it just downloaded. It won't hurt anything. It'll just update the launcher properly. Go ahead and run it.
So I'm downloading the installer again.
That it just downloaded. It should be in your downloads folder. Double-click it and let it update the launcher.
It's saying welcome to the Prism launcher setup, which is I already had installed. So this isn't what I want.
Fusion. If you already have Prism installed, you don't need to run the installer again. Go back to the Prism launcher window. It should have a button that says Download Update or something similar. Click that instead. That'll update it without reinstalling everything.
So it says manual update required. Prism Launcher release 11.02. Then it says grab the latest download here. And it's like I click on it and it's the same download I have.
Just close Prism Launcher completely, then run that installer you just downloaded. Even though it says setup, it'll detect your existing installation and just update it. Go ahead and run it.
This is bonkers. You for real?
Yeah, I know it's ridiculous. Prism's update system is kinda broken sometimes. Just run the installer you downloaded.
So
It'll update it in
run
like
the
10
Prism Launcher setup.
Detect that you already have Prism installed and will update it for you. Go ahead.
Alright.
Finished installing.
This is mad.
Minecraft modding can be a pain. Just hang in there a bit longer. We're almost through this launcher nonsense.
Oh. There's a little button now that I can click. It says update and it's saying I'm running the most recent version. Okay.
Went through. You're now on the latest version of Prism Launcher. Go back to your instance, click Mods, then Open Mods folder, and we'll get JEI moved out so you can actually play.
Okay, so here's the issue, is I'm running the latest version, but it says I'm on Minecraft 1.20.1, but the latest version is 11.0. 11.0.2.
11.0 update was just for the launch. Yeah, that sounds right. You're on the latest launcher now, so that's good. Go ahead and open the mods folder like we talked about.
Mod folder. Okay, how do I do that again?
From the main menu, click Mods, then look at the bottom left and click Open Mods folder.
So I'm launching the game, or I'm launching the instance. Is that what you said?
Instance normally, but instead of clicking play, click on Mods first. It's right next to the play button. Then you'll see the Open Mods folder button at the bottom.
So I'm launching Minecraft Forage, and I'm going to go to the mods folder after it's loaded. Is that right?
If you're looking at your list of mods now, then yeah.
Do I need to configure Quark? Or no?
Now, let's stay focused on fixing the crash
Okay,
first.
I'm in the mods
Just
folder.
open that mods something like ji-1.20.1-forge-15.3.0.jar and move it to your desktop. Once you've moved JEI out, go back to Prism Launcher and try launching your game again.
All right. moved it out. And
Good. Now close the mods folder and try launching your game again. Let me know if it gets past the inventory screen without crashing.
okay, so I don't need to exit out of the I don't need to exit out of the launcher or whatever I'm in, the forge thing. It says new forge available.
No.
Maybe I'll create my own world again. Maybe that's what's causing errors, I don't know.
If the crash was somehow tied to the old world file, this will tell us right away. Again?
I'm creating the world. Gonna turn cheats on.
Extra gray. That's fine. Go ahead and turn cheats on, then create the world.
Alright. It's being created.
Good. Once you're in, let me know if the extra grey boxes are still there or if the game feels stable now.
Spent about 2 hours just trying to get everything set up, and by the time I've set everything up, I'm exhausted. And I don't want to stream. But I'm gonna keep streaming anyway.
Nice. So, how does it look? Are those extra grey boxes still showing up above your hotbar?
Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna press E. Something's loading or something. I don't know
What you
what's
see on
going
the-
on. I'll try pressing E though. The boxes are gone. I noticed that. So, okay, we're already to a good start. And I had E, I opened up E and it didn't crash. So, is that on? Is that? I can just. There's also something that's loading. There's like a blue bar above my inventory, and it goes to 100, and it's loading. It's like every second it goes up by 1. Something wrong for sure. Oh, hello. B. Oh. Okay, sorry. I won't hurt you. Okay, nothing's breaking, but the AI isn't telling me anything. Froze. Okay. Oh no. Now it's a black screen. Right. Everything isn't working now. And now it's showing the vertical stream
Now
as
it's a black
working.
screen. Right.
Everything isn't working now. Oh no. Okay. Can you hear me? What's going on? So yeah, we're not getting... Oh, there's the audio. Oh, and now it's breaking. But the wooden sword doesn't break things. That's strange. That's got to be a glitch. I can break things with bread, but not with a sword. Hmm. Getting closer to things working. It's just the... Now we're having errors with this. Dude, monkey paw. Just... Everything's monkey paw. One thing works, another thing doesn't work. It's just the balance of the universe. Come on. Hey, excuse me. Okay. Have our... Okay, it's working. It's at least capturing the game. Just having some errors with the... Glad it hasn't crashed yet. Just want to figure out if this sword isn't working properly, so I want to see what to do. Of course, it's not loading. And the website isn't even loading. Okay. Please work. Every time. The amount of errors that I have to deal with just to get something to work disconnecting. Great. More error keeps disconnecting, and it's really annoying, and for whatever reason, this is working as soon as this started working when it previously wasn't working as soon as OBS restarted. It's not working though, of course. Right. Well, we figured that out. Okay. So this should work now. Okay. Is this working now? Bruh. God. Come on, dude. Saying I'm offline.
My gosh. Right. We're gonna try this one more time. Okay. All right. Be right back. I'm going to throw up the BRB screen. I'm getting better at this. Let's throw that up. BRB. Let's move it somewhere where it can be seen. Hello. Oh. It's that BRB. 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 There we go. Letting the people know that we will be right back. The fine folks at home, this is my message to you. By the way, our vertical streams are getting traction for no reason, just because they're vertical. Wow, we've had more views than ever before, just because it's vertical. Insane. Insane. What does disconnect? Okay, I think we got it. It was quite a stretch, but we should be connected to LAN now. And we'll
See if the difference is gone. They still happen. Dig deeper. Maybe check OBS.
it's still working, even though I turned off the Wi-Fi. Let's see.
That's exactly
All right, I think it's still working,
that
even though I
confirms
turned off the
Wi-Fi was
Wi-Fi.
reconnected. Keep an eye on it
Let's
during the
see.
stream. But this should solve your disconnect problems. Nice work getting that cable hooked up.
All right, I think it's still
Nice
working,
work. That
even though I
confirms
turned off the
Wi-Fi was
Wi-Fi.
reconnected. Keep an eye on it
Let's
during the
see.
stream. But this should solve your disconnect problems. Nice work getting that cable hooked up.
All right, I think it's
Power
still
of LAN. Still kind of occasionally dropping out. Let's see. How does 720 look?
all right. I think it's
Alright, they're on the LAN. Alright, we're still having some OBS Studio disconnects for about 2 seconds and it reconnects on its own. And we're on LAN, so I don't know why it's happening.
Check your network adapter settings first. Open Device Manager, go to your Ethernet adapter properties, Advanced tab, and set speed and duplex to something fixed like 1 gigabits per second full duplex instead of auto-negotiate. A few people fixed exact same short drops that way. Also, make sure your Ethernet cable is Cat 6 or better, and try bypassing any switches. Plug straight into the router if you can. If you're on a newer Intel motherboard, it might be that buggy i226B chip too. Want me to walk you through any of those steps?
Yeah, how do I do that speed thing you were talking about in the device manager?
Alright, here's the quick way. 1. Right-click the Start button and pick Device Manager. 2. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Ethernet one and hit Properties. 3. Go to the Advanced tab.
Hold on.
Find Speed.
I'm on a device manager, and then what?
Double-click Network Adapters to expand it. Then right-click your Ethernet adapter and choose Properties.
I don't see the Ethernet adapter.
Look up at the top of Device Manager, click View, then check Show Hidden Devices. After that, expand Network Adapters again and see if anything Ethernet related shows up, like Intel Ethernet or Realtek PCIe.
Check RTL PCIe adapter. Is that it?
Yes, that's your Ethernet adapter. Right-click it, go to Properties, then click the Advanced tab.
Okay.
Scroll through the list until you see Speed and Duplex. Click it and change the value on the right to 1 to the value on the right 1.0 Let me know if that fixes the 4-second drops.
Yeah, I can't find what you're telling me to look for.
Okay, no worries. While you're still in that advanced tab, tell me the first few items are in the list. Just read the first 3 or 4
2.4G
options you see.
wireless mode, 5G wireless mode. And then the valve.
You're in the Wi-Fi adapter, not the Ethernet one. Close that window and look for something that says Realtek PCIe or Realtek Gaming. That's the wired one. Right-click that and go to Properties.
Okay. And then what?
Now go to the Advanced tab. Look for Speed and Duplex. Click it, change the value to 1.0 gigabit.
Okay. It's, I restarted it. I restarted it. So what are we doing again? We're testing if it drops out, right?
Yep, exactly. Just run OBS for a bit and see if those 4-second drops still happen. Keep an eye on the connection status and let me know what you see.
This is insane. The world in Minecraft.
You got it. Take your time in Minecraft, and whenever you notice anything about the OBS connection, just let me know. No rush.
Oh.
Keep it
This
running
doesn't look
and
right.
check back in a little while. We'll give it enough time to see if the
Gonna test something out. Still no dropouts.
sounds like that fixed it. If it stays like that for another hour or so, we're golden.
We'll see.
Great. Keep me posted if anything changes. Otherwise,
Gonna test
sounds
something
like you're
out.
good to go.
Still no dropout. Yeah, we're having trouble connecting to Rock on the computer. The voice mode.
Restart your browser or app and try again. If it's still acting up, try a different browser. Chrome or Edge
Okay.
usually works best.
Just try Chrome. Whatever, what's it called? Edge. Still no dropouts. Yeah, we're having some internet problems, I think, because the Grok website's taking
Yeah,
forever to
that
load.
could be it. Run a speed test real quick.
How do I do that?
Let me know what speeds you get.
How do I do a speed test? How do I do a speed test?
Just go to speedtest.net in your browser and hit the big Go button. It'll run automatically.
Speed test isn't even loading.
Try switching to mobile data on your phone to see if the computer is the only one struggling. Does your phone still have internet right now?
Alright, it's working now. It's just gonna take a sec. So I'm running the test.
And again on the computer now that it's back. What numbers does it show?
That seems good. It's saying
Good news.
460,
Let me know if the connection drops.
460 to 400.
Router. Unplug both for 30 seconds. Plug the modem back first. Wait till it's fully on for 30 seconds. Plug the modem back first. Wait till it's fully online. Then the router. Let me know what your upload looks like after.
Okay. So you think that's the...
Alright, that's not good. Can you tell me your modem and router models real quick? Also, is the router provided by your ISP or your own?
I'm gonna restart everything and then we'll do the test again. So I'm gonna unplug both the router and the modem for 30 seconds.
Sounds good. Take your time. I'll be here when you're ready.